Welcome to TechLibber channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restart Microsoft Teams. So at first, just open up and be on your Microsoft Teams software. After that, here at the top right, click on the three dot icon. From here, on top of premium benefits, you should see a button called update. So if you don't see that button called update, there's another way. But if you see that button called update, just click on it. It will close down Microsoft Teams, update it for you, and open it up for you again, and basically restart it for you. But if you don't see that button, what you have to do is just manually close Microsoft Teams. Then just go bottom right here at the system tray and click on it. And then just hover over Microsoft Teams, right click on it, click on Quit Teams. And this will close down Microsoft Teams as well. Now to restart it, just go to search and search for Teams again. From the best matches, just open up Microsoft Teams and just give it some time to open up. And there you go. You have successfully restarted Microsoft Teams. And basically that is how to restart Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.